Good morning to you. So last night there I had a chance to just kind of quickly show you around our little mini suite here. And today I will make sure to make an effort to show you some of the other areas of the ship. I couldn't really do that very much last night. The battery in the camera died, and I prefer filming with this over filming with my phone. But yeah, we'll see some other parts of the ship. I think in terms of the excursion, there's a hike this morning that's about 7 kilometers and change up into the castle district that we sort of were in yesterday, I think. But that's okay. It's a beautiful city, so you don't mind seeing some of the same things again. It's a little cool this morning and kind of overcast, but let's step out onto the deck if I could learn how to operate the sliding door. There, it wasn't locked, I guess. So the ship is just basically repositioning itself at a different dock here in Budapest, a bit closer to downtown than where we were docked for embarkation. So it's just making a little bit of a U-turn here, and it's yeah, moving along nicely. So the main dining room for breakfast, and we're just sailing past the Hungarian Parliament building, which we toured a couple days ago now, I guess.
pepino de camarilla.
So what exactly is a chimney cake? I've been seeing them listed everywhere.
It's dough wrapped around the spit, rotated over hot coals.
Oh, okay. I like all of those things. Steaming like a chimney.
It's very hot. Just came out of hot coals. It's hollow.
So come down from level 2 where our stateroom is. Okay, so there's the chef's table on the one side and Jimmy's on the other. Okay, that was easy to find. Oh, there's the guest laundry room. The hair salon. And yes, the main gift shop.
The one on Amastella was very good.
It's nice and new. Polyester, so fleece. Polyester, the ML.
See what the guest laundry actually looks like.
Hi, we're just speaking.
Oh, you're just making it. I was gonna say, I
Sneak
did someone's
preview.
laundry
Oh
on
no,
I confess right
not
now.
ours, not ours. Just wondered how it was set up. Do you have to pay for this?
No, they're free. And they put the pods are right here, and I just am not quite sure how I'm supposed to empty them. Oh, there we go.
Merge back into the main reception area.
Oh, must be downstairs.
Hmm? The AMAMagna also has a small theater with a big screen TV. You can watch movies, sporting events. On each side of the theater, there's seating area. You got the two-sided fireplace, various books and things, panoramic windows. So if you don't want to stay in your cabin, there's always places you can go and sit. And back up a few steps into the lounge area. the observation deck. And from here we can go up onto the sun deck. So we can see the main bridge of the ship. Pickleball. Nice seating areas if the weather was nicer, but there isn't a lot of sun on the sun deck right now. Shaded area for if it was really hot and you wanted to escape the sun. Not a big consideration for us here in December. Nobody's taking advantage of the swimming pool and hot tub tonight. And the little putting green. Giant chess set. You're never bored when it comes to things to do. Even the occasional helicopter flyby.
For up here on the Sunday. Can you hear me? Yay! Well, I'm happy that you're up here because this is definitely, even though it's a little bit cold and well, I can tell you there is no better place to be right now than on the Sunday of the AMAMagna. Tourists come from all around the world to see the cruise and the ships around. The day before leaving cruises, people are now sailing on the, what I like to call it, like on a red carpet in a great style. On the Sunday of the AMAMagna, well, you can now see all those highlights of Budapest, beautifully illuminated. On your left-hand side, you have the blue yellow